xanthan range. That I have two products over here. One is the Advanced Repair Day Cream and another one is the Advanced Repair Day Serum. Okay, so I'm going to be reviewing my honest reviews about this. So let's get started. So first things first, are you seeing this? Indian skin, the brown skin is literally the best, and I'm blessed. Okay, let's be that. So first things first, the packaging is in the glass bottle, and the packaging is really chic and it's really nice. But I have few cons from this. That is, the thing is, it's the product itself. First things, the spreadability is nice. The ingredient list is almost clean, but this really stings. It really burns your skin. I mean, like, it didn't give me good time. The spreadability is nice. I have normal to dry skin, like pretty much normal. I'm not that skin concerned person. I'm not even that sensitive as a skin, like in my skin type. But it literally, I tried it many times, like 2-3 times I tried it too, because it's really pricey. It cost around like 800 rupees and this another 800 rupees, but I got it in buy one get one sale, and they're doing really good marketing, which is so great. It's a women run brand, but still brand claims really high stuff, like it reverses your aging, it reverses your fine lines, it is 3,000 times more powerful than vitamin C. Everything is fine, but if it stings your skin, and I tried it many times, it gives me the small bumps due to irritation. Okay, and I was not okay with it. Like, I tried the serum, it stings even more. The cream at least is slightly better, but the serum stings even more. And I tried with my mom's face also and my sister's face also. She didn't actually like it at all, but my mom, she also said that she's someone who doesn't give any bad opinions about anything, but she was not okay with it as well. It literally stings the skin, and the bumps stays for 1 or 2 to 3 days, and it literally irritates your skin. And if you're someone with sensitive skin, literally no. So yeah, that's that. The packaging is very nice. As you can see, I ordered straight away from the website itself. The packaging is very nice. I want such brands to be coming up more upfront, and then I want them to be more successful, but the problem is this stings. The ingredient list is also pretty clean. The first ingredient itself is astaxanthin and jojoba oil and veg oil. Everything is fine. Maybe it's their essential oil in the end. So as I was saying, that product, the packaging is so nice. I was having really high hopes on it, and it smells also really nice. Pretty strong smell itself, but it's nice. Okay, it's really nice. And even the serum consistency is literally very nice, but it really stings. I'm just using it on my hands right now, but it's already slightly stinging my hands itself. So when I put it on my cheeks and here and all, I got literally here around my mouth area, which is slightly sensitive than other parts of the area. It gave me a slight bit of irritation and small bumps, and it stayed for 1 week, and I was not happy with it. So here's my honest review regarding this. The packaging is cool, the ingredient lists are clean. Only thing is, it has essential oil in the end, like peppermint, lavender, saffron, and nothing else is what they say, but it stings. I hope if they come up with a new formulation which does not sting, I would like to try it again, because it's an Indian brand and the packaging is also very clean and aesthetic and eco-friendly. So that's that. Also, if anyone else has another opinion and a different reaction to it, please do let me know in the comment section, because it would help many other people before they're buying it, right?